In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Spaceship domain to Shopify. So firstly, you want to open your Launchpad and you want to go to Domain Manager in Spaceship. And you want to select the domain which you want to connect. I have only this one, so I'm going to select it. And on the right side, you want to choose Name Servers and DNS. Then Advanced DNS. Got it. And now we need to add DNS records, but before that, I will copy my domain. So this is my domain. I will go to Shopify and click on settings in bottom left corner. Now domains. And you want to click on connect existing and paste the domain from Spaceship. Then click next. And now Shopify is going to give you the records which you need to update in Spaceship. So you need to add those two records. So the first one is A, this is name, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value and I will click on add record. So the first one is A. Type the symbol, then A and the value, click on add, and it's showing it in propagation. So now it's going to propagate, and after that you should see the little green check mark in this icon, and then you know it's connected. So the second one is this. So this is the value shops.myshopify.com, and the name is www. Type is CNAME. So copy the value, click on add record again, CNAME. Here type www under the host. Type is CNAME and then paste the value. Click on add. And now you just need to wait for the propagation. So you will see the check marks next to it. And you can also click on I updated the DNS records in Shopify. DNS records are pointing to Shopify, so it's doing this TLS certificate for secure connections. So you just need to wait a couple of minutes. It's showing estimated 5 minutes. And maybe I will try to refresh Spaceship if there are check marks. And it's showing still in propagation, so you need to give it some time. So I will be back after it's connected. It took like a couple of minutes and now I see those check marks. So this means it's successfully updated. So just need to wait for this certificate now on Shopify, and then it's going to show you over here it's connected. And that's it. This is how you can connect your Spaceship domain to Shopify. So when you see this connected, this means it's connected successfully, and that's all. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.